Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best car seat infant rear-facing on the market right now. The Baby Trend Cover Me 4-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. Let's start with why this seat stands out. It's more than just a car seat, it's an all-in-one travel companion that adapts to your child's needs as they grow. From newborn days all the way through to their early school years, this car seat has you covered, literally and figuratively. The first thing you'll notice is the adjustable and removable canopy. This isn't just a basic sunshade. It's a height and angle adjustable canopy that gives your little one complete shade and UV protection, even while inside the car. Flip-out side visors add an extra layer of coverage. Whether it's a bright sunny day or a quick nap ride, this feature provides comfort without compromise. Now let's talk versatility. The Cover Me is a true 4-in-1 convertible car seat. It supports rear-facing for infants, rear-facing for toddlers, forward-facing with a 5-point harness, and finally, belt positioning booster mode for older kids. It's designed to accommodate children from 4 to 100 pounds, making it the only car seat you'll need for years. The transition between modes is seamless and intuitive. Comfort is clearly a top priority in its design. The seat is crafted with deluxe fabrics and plush padding that make long rides more enjoyable. It's cozy enough for newborns and roomy enough for bigger kids. It even comes with 2 deep cup holders, perfect for keeping drinks and snacks within reach, which is a lifesaver for busy parents. Safety is where this seat really shines. Beyond the basic crash test certifications, it includes a no-rethread harness system, so adjusting the headrest and straps as your child grows is effortless and secure. It also features a flip-foot recline mechanism with zero-radius recline, meaning you can fine-tune the seating position without taking up extra space in your car. Installation is also a breeze thanks to the latch system. The seat's built-in track and angle indicators guide you to the correct setup. It's stable, it's sturdy, and you'll feel confident your child is riding safely every single time. Dimension-wise, it's compact enough to fit in most vehicles. 18.5 inches deep, 18.25 inches wide, and just under 29 inches tall. And with the black, modern khaki color variant, it fits nicely with just about any car interior. Now, for those watching from outside the US, especially in regions like India, please note that this product does not currently ship internationally from Amazon. But for viewers in the US, it's typically priced between $135 to $169 depending on the seller and stock availability. In conclusion, the Baby Trend Cover Me 4-in-1 isn't just a car seat. It's a long-term investment in your child's comfort and safety. From the unique canopy design to its all-in-one usability, it's thoughtfully engineered to support both babies and parents on every journey. If you're a parent looking for peace of mind with a product that adapts to your child, this one checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews just like this. See you in the next one.